Hi, this is Eric from Backstreet Surveillance. Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Saturday appointment. First, what we do is we go to Support, then we go to Extended Hours, and notice this is all Mountain Standard Time as of November. If you look down here, all of these have been taken because they're grayed out, so we're going to hit the blue arrow, and then we're going to go to November 7th because that is now open. And notice we've got two time slots here. We've got 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. Let's schedule 1 p.m. So we hit confirm. We obviously put our name in, our email address, and then a phone where we can be contacted at. The other thing is we want to know whether this is a system for home or business. Business typically is a larger system, and so it's going to be a bit more involved. And then is this a new installation, meaning was this just put in the last 90 days or sooner? Lastly, you're going to have to put your order number in. And then you click the Schedule Event button. As you can see here, this is now scheduled, and you can call in on that date and they will be there, or they will actually call you, and you'll be able to work for an hour with the representative to resolve your problems. So this is how you schedule a Saturday technical support appointment. Thanks for watching.